How to see who viewed your TikTok videos. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to see who viewed your TikTok videos. But before I do, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Okay, so straight into it. So to enable post views on TikTok, first ensure you've updated your TikTok app to the newest version. Then open up the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right hand corner, then tap on Settings and Privacy. On this next menu, tap on Privacy, then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you get to Profile Views. Tap that option, then tap the switch to enable this feature. Once you turn this on, you will be able to see which of your followers have viewed your videos, and people you follow will be able to see when you viewed their posts. Post views will only be available for 7 days after the date a TikTok is posted. And that's all it takes to see who viewed your TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.